Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm diving into the top 5 gadgets you absolutely need right now. These are the latest, greatest pieces of tech that are making waves in 2024. Let's get into it. First up, we've got the Apple Vision Pro. This sleek, augmented reality headset is taking user experience to a whole new level. Imagine merging your digital world with the real one seamlessly. Whether you're gaming, working, or just browsing, the Vision Pro makes it incredibly immersive. The display is crystal clear, the performance is buttery smooth, and the design? Pure Apple. Next, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Foldable phones are no longer just a novelty. The Z Fold 5 is the epitome of innovation with its dual-screen setup. You can use it as a regular phone or open it up to a mini tablet. Perfect for multitasking or watching videos on the go. Plus, the battery life has been significantly improved. This one's a game changer. Moving on, the DJI Mini 4 Pro. If you're into drones, this is your new best friend. Compact, lightweight, and packed with features, it's perfect for capturing stunning aerial shots. The 4K camera quality is outstanding, and the improved obstacle avoidance system means fewer crashes and more epic footage. Fourth on the list, the Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones. These bad boys are the latest in noise-canceling tech. Whether you're on a plane, in a busy office, or just at home, the XM5 filters out the noise and lets you enjoy your music or podcasts in peace. The sound quality is top-notch, and they're super comfy to wear for long periods. Last but not least, the Tesla Cybertruck. Okay, so it's not exactly a gadget you can carry in your pocket, but it's too cool not to mention. With its futuristic design, bulletproof exoskeleton, and insane performance specs, the Cybertruck is pushing the boundaries of what we expect from electric vehicles. It's not just a truck, it's a statement. There you have it, folks. The top 5 gadgets you need right now. If you enjoyed this list, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments which gadget you're most excited about. Catch you in the next one.